because
ka Joint Directorate Quality Committee and Patient Safety Division ka Sorkar Meghalaya haka arpulai terik unaitung kala Penlong ya ka Jingle buram ban Khubnam ya ki hospital bat ki jaka arjing sumar baper jong ka Sorkar ki bala no asenyang ban pinbyang ya ki lat jing sumar ki ba khambha she ki pai ba nong shong shnong ka Ganesh Das MCH Hospital kalayo ya ka Laksha certification nakabenta ka Jingtipit jong katnat operation theater OT jongka ka Ganesh Das Hospital kalayo ru ya ka Khusnam kumki jaka sumar batibit tam na Prenki district ka tu ka nitali ki jaka sumar bah khamat tam ki jong ki primary health center but ki jaka sumar pat ba community health center CHC kilayo manta usnem ya ka Khusnam kaya ka nakabenta ki jing shakri ba kinsai ki balong ki nuksa babha ye ki weipan haba ai Jingtrei hakani kasngi ka mentri ka kwat ka kya ka kong amperin lingdo kala ong ba kani ka Khusnam ka dei ka jing ithu ya ka jing persang ban ai ya ki jing sumar ki babhatam sheki nong shong shnong what happening ki jing duna u commissioner but secretary katnat ka kwat ka kya u joram beda ulo ong ba ki Khusnam ki bala sam menta kasngi ki long ki sakhi ya ka Jingtrei lang shimin siam ban kintiu ha ka jing shakri ban ai ki jing sumar ha ka kwat ka kya shabaro ki pat ba ka jilla
followed by Raitong Sub-Center. Followed by Maungap Sub-Center.
To the hard work that all of you put in. As I was glancing through the various frames of the various presentations, I now realize that I have likely been to not less than 65 to 70% of these institutions. And I'm very, very happy to see that our visits to the institutions across the board have motivated all of you to work harder and to ensure that you deliver the best services to the people of the state of Meghalaya. Like Dr. Zoram and Saram had said, awards are not that important for us. The award in itself is a recognition of your hard work. But the challenge for the government of the state is to ensure that alongside these awards, you're reaching out to citizens and being there and providing them these services when they need them most urgently. I must thank all stakeholders. I have rarely visited an NGO-run facility. And I was telling my officers that likely in my second year of term, I may be able to focus some attention on these institutions. But in year one, I really would like to see that I ensure that I reach every facility in the entire region. It has been such a memorable experience for me in the last 14 months being the Health Minister of the state of Meghalaya. And let me tell you one thing. It is one thing to be attentive and to attend to the needs of our institutions. But it's altogether a different thing when I have to stand up and defend most of our shortcomings, whether on the floor of the House or in the eye of the media. I am here to defend you, but my earnest and sincerest request to all of you is alongside the quality control that is very, very necessary, I urge that every member of the DHS, no matter which department you're at, directorate you're at, I would like to see that we rise and we actually deliver to the people of the state of Meghalaya.